This video will show how to replace detectors on a loop via EBLWin. The new detectors will be auto-addressed. Make sure that the new detectors have default address. Only one unit at a time can be replaced. Open the existing EBLWin file. We will replace a detector on loop number 2. Log on. Select the loop and select Replace Detectors. Press Start. Replace a unit on the loop with a new unit. Make sure the LEDs has stopped flashing red before replacing the next detector. A list of all replaced detectors is generated. The list can be saved and printed. When you don't want to replace any more units, press Stop. Run Check Loop Procedure. This procedure can take several minutes. Run Check Loop is completed with errors. That is correct when you have replaced detectors. Open the Loop Unit tab and check that the serial number is updated. The system does not recognize the new serial number. You need to save and download SSD. Check that the system doesn't have other faults. Press Create SSD. Press OK. Note that the SSD in the EBLWin file will be replaced with this new SSD. Save the project, and download the SSD to the control unit. Thank you for watching.